Like you see my face right now, I have makeup on, but when I was shooting the video, there was no makeup on my face. Hey guys, so a little introduction. On this channel, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online. No more 9 to 5. 9 to 5, what is that? Right now, the current and the best ways to make money is to go online and learn some skills. On this channel, I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of CapCut, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make money from your YouTube channel. You might ask, what background does she have? Well, I studied mass communication and I've had over 10 years experience in the media. Yes, working behind the scenes. And I also have 3 years of managing a YouTube channel for people. I have been able to help people grow their YouTube channel from 0 to almost 4,000 subscribers, where I had to hand over their YouTube channel over to them. Yes, so you are at the right place if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube and how to edit your YouTube videos. I got you. So what you just need to do is to subscribe to this channel and watch out for future videos from me. I promise you, I would be taking you through a thorough YouTube tutorial. If you're struggling with how to make use of CapCut, I'm going to be teaching you. I'm going to be organizing live sections where I will be taking you through CapCut editing. I will be taking you through, I will be showing you one by one what you need to do. Like you see my face right now, I have makeup on, but when I was shooting the video, there was no makeup on my face. I used CapCut in editing my videos to make it look like I have makeup on. Yes, I can also teach you how to make thumbnails on CapCut and other editing tools. So just stick around. I promise to give you lots of value for your time. Yes. And share this video to your friends, your family who are trying to get on YouTube and learn how to use YouTube to make money. YouTube is the new Netflix, it's the new Amazon, it's the new everything. This is where people have come to change their lives through their talents, through their voiceover talents and everything. So if you want to make money online, trust to come to YouTube, because this is the best place to be. So at this point, I have switched to voiceover. So as I was saying, if you would like to learn CapCut editing, you are in the right place. Not only will I teach you how to do makeup on CapCut, I will teach you how to reduce noise completely on CapCut. I will teach you how to make use of animation, how to do voiceovers, and how to maneuver your way around CapCut. You would also learn how to do thumbnails, how to design thumbnails on CapCut. But really, my favorite one I really want to teach you is the noise cancellation. There's a noise cancellation edit that people use on CapCut, but there is one that is hidden. Many people don't know about it. So on this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you that hidden noise cancellation edits that many people don't know about. It will completely reduce the noise in your background. Did you know that CapCut have many amazing music that you can use for free on your YouTube videos? Yeah, there are a lot of them in CapCut. I'm going to teach you how to get them. I believe many of you have 2 or 3 YouTube channels where you use your other channel to test, for copyright and all other things. So when you use these songs from CapCut, go to your other YouTube channel, test that there is no copyright on that song that you are going to use from CapCut. And if you see that there is no copyright, you can go ahead and use it on your main YouTube channel and use it to grow your YouTube. The thing about music, good music, is that it makes your video entertaining. People enjoy background music when you're doing some certain videos, so it will be good for you to learn how to make use of this CapCut music. Also, there are music in the YouTube library that you can also make use of, but also knowing how to make use of this music from CapCut is going to be an added advantage for you. I will also teach you other things like how to change background of your video. Like this background that you're seeing, this is not the real background in the video. I changed the background because the background is not looking nice. So I changed it using CapCut. So I'm going to teach you how to change background. Okay. And there's this one that is really heavy, the overlay. Overlay is very important. Like if you're using other people's video to do commentary or provide review on all other things, you can use overlay to, explain the things that you want to talk about in your video. So in this CapCut tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use overlay to describe or talk about your videos. You understand? So stick around. If you saw something good, you definitely reap something good. So I am all about that. And for women, for men and women, I want us to be financially independent. I want us to be able to make money anywhere we are while we are sleeping, jumping out of the bus, waking up at 4 a.m. just to go to a job that you'll be paid 100,000, 150,000. It's not really it, because right now things are so expensive. People are struggling to live. People are struggling to survive. So, and this 9 to 5 people don't even know. They don't even know the stress that goes behind everything. And with the inflation, most of them have refused to increase the salaries and everything. So many people are not doing 9 to 5. And some of you that are doing 9 to 5, you can come on this channel and learn how to make money online so that you'll be combining it at a point. When you get to a point where you're making enough money online, then you can decide to resign. Yes, I'm even telling this to many Nigerian companies. In the next 10 years, no one will be coming to work at your organization except if you increase salary and make life easier for your workers, for your employees. Yes, so that's just it. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be hearing and getting videos from this channel. Thank you for watching. I love you.
So this is the raw video without any editing on CapCut. You can see how noisy it is in the background, and you see the background where I stood. You see how dirty and unkempt it looks. Yeah, I don't. So in the next coming tutorials, I'm going to be teaching you how to do lots of this editing on CapCut and more. And trust me, it will be very valuable. So I will be uploading videos every week. Please always come back to check it out and support me. Okay, thank you.